this pre-owned 2016 Chevrolet Suburban LTZ. This vehicle has all your front and rear parking assist, blind zone sensors in both side mirrors. And if you come take a look at this interior, we can go over a little bit. Got your Bose stereo system in here, memory seating for both driver and steering wheel. Got your power driver and passenger seat, wireless charging, and built-in navigation. Go take a look at this second row. Got heated captain chairs back here. Dual screens in your second and third row. If you're on a long trip and have kids, you can have movies on for them. Got tri-zone climate control, so you can control the temperature from both driver and passenger and your rear seated passengers. Good space in that third row seating back here. Come check out this trunk space area. These controls control both second and third row seating, so you can fold them up and down from these buttons here. Got a little bit of more storage space just in case you didn't want anything rumbling around in your back trunk space. This is a very nice vehicle. Has 101,000 miles on it. Got it listed at a great price for $34,900. If you're interested, come see me at Fillmore Buick GMC in Jackson, Mississippi, and ask for Frankie.